Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Explorers. Today, we have something truly special. The all-new 2025 Ural Next 6x6 bus. A beastly off-road passenger transporter designed to tackle the toughest terrains with ease. Ural has always been known for its rugged military-grade vehicles, and this latest model takes things to a whole new level. Whether you're in remote Siberia, deep in the mountains, or crossing the harshest deserts, this 6x6 bus promises extreme durability, insane off-road capability, and surprisingly modern features. So, let's dive into the details and see if this is the ultimate off-road people carrier. First things first, the design. The 2025 Ural Next 6x6 bus is a true off-road giant, standing tall with an aggressive military-inspired stance. It's built on a reinforced Ural Next truck chassis, featuring a high ground clearance, massive off-road tires, and a boxy utilitarian body designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. The front fascia carries the signature Ural truck grille, large LED headlights, and a heavy-duty steel bumper with integrated tow hooks and a winch, ensuring it's prepared for rescue and recovery operations. The body is constructed with high-strength, steel and corrosion-resistant materials, making it durable enough for years of abuse in harsh environments. A set of sturdy side steps and grab handles make it easier to enter the tall cabin, while reinforced wheel arches and protective skid plates add to its rugged appeal. It's a vehicle that looks like it belongs in an expedition to the Arctic or a remote jungle. Now let's talk about what powers this beast. Under the hood, the 2025 Ural Next 6x6 bus is equipped with a 6.7-liter YAMZ 536 turbocharged diesel engine, delivering around 310 horsepower and 1,300 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed manual or optional automatic transmission, optimized for heavy-duty use. With its 6x6 drivetrain, locking differentials, and low-range transfer case, this bus can power through mud, deep snow, and rocky trails without breaking a sweat. The advanced off-road suspension provides excellent articulation, ensuring that all 6 wheels maintain traction on uneven surfaces. And thanks to its air suspension system, the ride remains surprisingly comfortable, even when fully loaded with passengers and cargo. The bus also has an impressive 800 mm water wading depth, so river crossings and flooded roads are no challenge at all. With a fuel tank capacity of up to 500 liters, it offers an extended range, making it an ideal choice for long-distance expeditions in remote regions where fuel stations are scarce. Stepping inside, the Ural Next 6x6 bus offers a blend of functionality and comfort, which is impressive for such a rugged vehicle. The driver's cabin is designed for long-haul journeys, featuring an ergonomic dashboard, a multifunction steering wheel, and a digital instrument cluster displaying all the critical vehicle data. It also comes with climate control, a modern infotainment system with touchscreen navigation, and USB ports for charging devices, features rarely seen in such hardcore off-road vehicles. The passenger section is where things get really interesting. Depending on the configuration, it can accommodate up to 32 passengers in comfortable high-back seats with seatbelts. The cabin is insulated against extreme temperatures, and powerful heating and air conditioning ensure a comfortable ride in both freezing cold and scorching heat. The large reinforced windows provide great visibility while keeping passengers safe, and there's plenty of overhead storage for gear and luggage. In the off-road expedition variant, the interior can be customized with bunk beds, a kitchenette, and even a small washroom, making it a self-sufficient travel vehicle for adventure seekers. Now let's talk about technology and safety. The 2025 Ural Next 6x6 bus is equipped with modern driver assistance features, including ABS, traction control, hill descent control, and electronic stability programs, crucial for handling unpredictable terrains. The advanced all-wheel drive system automatically adjusts power distribution between the axles to maximize grip. For extreme off-roading, it has multiple terrain modes that adjust throttle response and suspension settings for sand, snow, mud, and rock crawling. On the safety front, it features reinforced rollover protection, fire-resistant materials, and emergency exits, making it suitable for demanding military, rescue, and industrial applications. The optional 360-degree camera system and off-road navigation suite provide real-time terrain analysis, ensuring drivers can make informed decisions in the most challenging conditions. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Explorers for more in-depth vehicle reviews and off-road adventures. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy exploring!